The Earth is a planet defined by water. Oceans cover over 70% of its surface, teeming with life. Humanity, however, remains landlocked, our dominion confined to the islands scattered across this watery expanse. But what if the tides were to turn? What if rising sea levels forced us to confront a future submerged beneath the waves? Could we, over millennia, evolve to thrive in this alien realm? The answer, while shrouded in the mists of speculation, is not as far-fetched as it might seem. Evolution, that tireless architect of life, has a remarkable knack for shaping organisms to fit their environment. Given enough time and the right selective pressures, humans too could undergo a remarkable transformation, trading their terrestrial heritage for a life aquatic. Imagine a future where our descendants, no longer bound to the surface, glide effortlessly through coral reefs, their movements as natural as a fish in water. They would explore the vibrant underwater world with a grace and ease that we can only dream of today. These future humans would plunge into the ocean's depths, venturing into realms that are currently beyond our reach. They would navigate the dark, mysterious waters with confidence, uncovering secrets hidden in the ocean's abyss. Their bodies, sculpted by generations of adaptation, would bear little resemblance to our own. Evolution would have transformed them into beings perfectly suited for an aquatic life, with streamlined forms and enhanced physical capabilities. Lungs, once essential for drawing oxygen from the air, might shrink, their role supplanted by more efficient methods of underwater respiration. Perhaps they would develop gill-like structures, allowing them to extract oxygen directly from the water. Webbing could sprout between fingers and toes, transforming hands and feet into powerful flippers. This adaptation would enable them to swim with incredible speed and agility, making them masters of their underwater domain. Eyes too would need to adapt to the challenges of underwater vision. The human eye, which is optimized for seeing in air, would undergo significant changes to function effectively in a watery environment. The cornea, which normally helps focus light, could reshape, minimizing distortion caused by the refractive index of water. This would allow them to see clearly and accurately, even in the depths of the ocean. The lens might enlarge, enhancing sensitivity to the muted light that filters down from the surface. This adaptation would be crucial for navigating the dimly lit underwater world. Our eyes, once attuned to the brilliance of the sun, would learn to discern the subtle dance of bioluminescence in the ocean's twilight depths. This ability would open up a new world of visual experiences, revealing the hidden beauty of the underwater realm. Imagine entire communities thriving beneath the waves, living in harmony with the ocean. These underwater habitats would be marvels of engineering, designed to withstand the pressures of the deep sea while providing a comfortable living environment for their inhabitants. Sustainable practices would be essential, with underwater farming and resource management ensuring that these communities could thrive without depleting the ocean's bounty. The future of humanity beneath the waves would be one of balance and respect for the marine ecosystem. These dramatic transformations wouldn't occur overnight. They are the result of countless small changes accumulating over vast stretches of time. Evolution operates on a grand timescale, with changes unfolding over countless generations. Each tiny alteration, almost imperceptible in the short term, contributes to the grand tapestry of life. Random genetic mutations, the engine of variation, would introduce new traits into the human gene pool. These mutations occur at the molecular level, altering the very blueprint of life. Most of these mutations would be neutral or even harmful, but a select few might confer an advantage in the underwater environment. For instance, a mutation might enhance lung capacity or improve underwater vision. Natural selection, the ruthless editor of life's grand narrative, would then step in. This process ensures that only the fittest individuals, those best suited to their environment, survive to pass on their genes. Individuals with beneficial mutations, such as those who could hold their breath longer or see more clearly underwater, would be more likely to survive and reproduce, passing their advantageous genes onto their offspring. Over many generations, these traits would become more pronounced. Over time, these traits would become more common, gradually shaping the human lineage into a new species uniquely adapted to its aquatic existence. This slow but relentless process of adaptation and selection is the sculpting hand of evolution, crafting life to thrive in every conceivable niche. We don't have to look far to witness the remarkable plasticity of the human form. Across the globe, humans have adapted to a myriad of environments, showcasing the incredible versatility of our species. The Bajau Laut, nomadic seafarers of Southeast Asia, have long lived in harmony with the ocean, spending most of their lives on boats or diving for pearls, fish, and sea cucumbers. Their intimate relationship with the sea is not just a way of life, but a testament to human adaptability. Over generations, they've developed extraordinary adaptations to their marine lifestyle. These adaptations are not merely cultural but deeply biological, allowing them to thrive in an environment that would challenge most humans. The Bajau can hold their breath for astonishing lengths of time, diving to depths of over 70 meters on a single lungful of air. This ability is not just a skill but a remarkable physiological adaptation. Their spleens, larger than those of their land-bound neighbors, act as biological scuba tanks, storing oxygen-rich red blood cells that are released during dives. This unique trait allows them to stay underwater longer and dive deeper than most people could ever imagine. These adaptations, honed by centuries of natural selection, offer a glimpse into the potential of human evolution to adapt to even the most challenging of environments. The Bajau people are living proof of how humans can evolve and thrive in harmony with nature, pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible. Section 5. The aquatic ape myth or misunderstood. The idea of humans evolving from aquatic ancestors has captivated imaginations for decades. The aquatic ape hypothesis, though largely dismissed by mainstream science, proposes that our ancestors went through a semi-aquatic phase, which would explain traits like our bipedalism and lack of body hair. While intriguing, the hypothesis lacks robust fossil evidence and struggles to explain the full spectrum of human evolution. It serves as a reminder, however, that our evolutionary journey is full of twists and turns, and the story of how we came to be is still being written. Let's indulge our imaginations for a moment and envision a future where humans have fully embraced their aquatic destiny. Our descendants might breathe through blowholes, like dolphins and whales, their lungs adapted to withstand the crushing pressure of the deep. Their bodies, streamlined and torpedo-shaped, would glide effortlessly through the water, their movements as graceful and efficient as any fish. Their eyes, large and sensitive, would pierce the ocean's gloom, detecting the faintest glimmer of bioluminescence. They might even develop new senses, attuned to the subtle changes in pressure, temperature, and chemical gradients that define the underwater world. These future humans, no longer bound to the land, would become one with the ocean, their fate intertwined with the ebb and flow of the tides. The path to becoming truly aquatic, however, is fraught with challenges. Developing gills, the specialized organs that allow fish to extract oxygen from water, would require a fundamental restructuring of our respiratory system. Our bones, adapted for support against gravity, would need to become more flexible to withstand the crushing pressure of the deep ocean. Moreover, the ocean is a vast and unforgiving environment. Finding food, avoiding predators, and navigating the complex three-dimensional world beneath the waves would present constant challenges. To thrive, humans would need to evolve not only physically, but also behaviorally, developing new forms of communication, social structures, and hunting strategies. While natural evolution might take millennia to produce a truly aquatic human, technology could offer a shortcut. Imagine underwater habitats, self-sufficient cities beneath the waves, where humans could live and work for extended periods, gradually adapting to the demands of their new environment. Advanced diving suits, equipped with artificial gills or other oxygenation systems, could allow us to explore the ocean's depths with ease, blurring the line between human and marine life. Genetic engineering, though ethically complex, might hold the key to accelerating the evolutionary process, allowing us to introduce beneficial mutations and enhance our adaptation to aquatic life. Whether humans will ever truly evolve to live underwater remains an open question. The challenges are immense, the timescale vast. Yet the ocean, that cradle of life, holds a powerful allure. It beckons us to explore its depths, to unravel its mysteries, and perhaps one day to make it our home. The future of humanity may lie not in conquering the stars, but in plumbing the depths of our own planet, embracing the ocean as not just a frontier, but as our ultimate destiny.